Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. Today is Transfer Tuesday, and when it's Transfer Tuesday, you guys know what I'm going to talk about. My student loan. My student loan is the one that is stressing me out. So keep watching. Hi, hello. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. On every Tuesday, Transfer Tuesday, I talk about my debt. And today is the day I'm going to update you what is going on in my debt. And we only have one debt, which is my student loan that I went to school and I acquired. And it's really stressing me out to tell you guys the truth. And I'll explain here briefly. So let's dive into today. I hope you guys can see on my sheet very well. Last week, let me zoom in a little bit. Last week, and I wanted you guys to see this one as well. Today is on the 16th, and it's saying stay focused. I love it because I really have to stay focused. Paying off my student loan because it's stressing me out. If you are doing something and you kind of like find yourself like trying to do this, trying to do that, I'm here to tell you today to stay focused. Maybe one thing at a time will work. Okay, so we are in the 3rd week of January, and I'm kind of like really not happy about my student loan. But let's start updating, and I'll tell. I took a picture of the dashboard for my student loan where it tells you the activity payment, and I was kind of like, what is going on here? Because I thought I was like 56,000, super excited. But I checked today and I was still at 57 and some change, which I'm going to tell you guys quick. So starting balance for today. So every week I'm going to go on my dashboard and update you guys what is on the dashboard. So for 2024, this one was 2022. That's why I like these pens. Hope you guys can see very well. So for 2022 is that away. Okay. So for today, like starting right now, when I check the balance, so balance for now is 57,266.86. So that's my starting balance. And if you look at what I started with the year and this, you realize that I haven't paid nothing. Like literally. But for the 1st week of January and the 2nd week of January, I paid 620. And I'll show you guys. So for the 2nd week, I paid both. So 620. And if you look on the screen, it means that $409.72 went into interest rate that was acquired. The only thing that went into the principal was $210.28. How is it fair? Like, it's not fair at all. So I was looking at it and I was like, it means the 620, the big amount I made, thinking that my amount was going to go to 56,000, did not go to 66,000. All of them went to interest that was acquired. And I'm kind of getting stressed about it, getting mad about it, but I'm like, I'm going to stay focused and pay off this student loan because it's stressing me out. I don't know about you if you have debt and it stresses you out, but student loan is one of the debt that is really stressing me out. And the reason is that I was done with school 2016 and I'm still paying off this debt. And I realized that any amount I put in, I'm still not moving as I can. And that's making me stressed out because I put in 620 and 409 is to interest. It wouldn't change the amount. Like it means if you don't really pay off very well, this amount will still remain the same. Like beginning of the year, I started with this. I have paid 620 and I'm still at 57,000. 200 266 88 86 cents. Okay, so today let's see the amount we are putting towards. So for today, weekly payment, I'm still gonna do my fixed $20 payment that I do every week. So 20, and I'm gonna do my extra payment, and my extra payment to be $148.86. Okay, so the total will be 168.86. Okay, so that's the amount I'm putting towards this week, and hopefully I'm sure some of them are going to go to the interest, and I'm sure some of them are going to go towards the actual amount. It wouldn't move the needle that much, but it's okay. It's okay. That's the amount. So my balance, so every week I'll go in and look at the actual balance, and that will be my starting balance for the week. And let's see how it goes. So it's gonna be 57,267 minus 168.86. 57,267.86 minus 168.86. So I have 57.99 for this week. So that's how much is left. Okay, then let's look at the percentage to debt free. Be divided by I didn't do it well. So 57099 divided by 93609.63 times 100 minus 100. So I'm still at 39%. So let's do 39%. So that's how far I am still. I've already shaded the track to be 39. So today we won't shade nothing. And this is how my tracker look like. Super excited to have this tracker. And for today, my main thing is to stay focused. So I have, for this year, I was going to try and pick up hours, do extra hours, and all those hours and the money that I get from the extra hours will go towards my student loan. That's my goal. So if I'm able to pick hours, it's going to go towards my student loan because it's stressing me out. The student loan. So that's why I put everything on the screen for you guys to see what I'm talking about. I don't know about you, but this year, try and look at your debt, whether it's credit card debt, student loan, whichever debt that you have, try and look at it and see how you're going to pay some of it, or how you're going to, the strategy that you want to use to pay. Mine, I have a fixed amount that I pay every week No matter what, I have to put $20, and I pay extra every week as well. I'll go through my bank account and do adjustment to my budget and see whether I can pay extra towards my student loan every week. I have my monthly fix that I pay, which is around 414. So normally I pay like 500. So have like a strategy that you can tackle your debt, whether consumer debt, student loan, whichever debt that stress you out like me, go ahead and tackle it and stay focused. Stay focused. So thanks for watching me today. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video, which is tomorrow. Bye bye bye.